Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas from Mountain Air Farms to you all. Hope everybody's well, doing good. We're just out here on Christmas Eve. I went and helped a friend of mine. He had some logs and stuff he needed cut down. I got a couple of saw logs and the rest of it just be firewood. I got 3 loads total. Another load's over on that side. But we're just going to straighten that up back here a little bit today. But just remember, everybody, to keep somebody in your heart. There's people out there with no one, and you've got to go visit them today, or do something nice for somebody today. Everybody needs to do something nice for somebody. Getting back to the wood where we had this cut, there were several trees I could drop. It wasn't any problem, but we had one near power lines, the big transformer lines, and the house. So I had a tree topper come out and top it. So I'm going to put a little video in here for y'all to watch. It'll be at the end of this one. And it's a pretty neat video. He done some amazing stuff up in top of that tree. I wouldn't do it. And always, if you're not sure what you can do, if you're not sure your skill set, don't be afraid to get somebody to do it, because it'll save you a whole lot of headache in the long run. But that's all I'm doing today. I'm going to straighten up these logs, and I ain't going to do much of anything today since it is Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
But I had to get my tractor home. It's been away from home for two days, and with it gone, I feel lonely. Can't hardly sleep at night without my tractor at home. So I've got to have my tractor at home.
Yeah.
So I went and got it this morning early.
Yeah, he had to bring it home so he could tuck it in. So.
Yeah. Don't like leaving it alone.
Yeah.
But this is my early Christmas present. Got something to do now. I can split some wood.
Yeah. And we'll help someone else out along the way. Give
Yep.
someone else some Christmas present. Keeping them warm.
Yep.
Well, as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Remember what the season is. It's not about the presents. It's not about the toys or the tree. It's about Jesus Christ being here, being born for us, for all of us.
Jesus is a reason for the season.
That's right. Y'all have a great Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.